Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your daily dose of smart, practical tech for home and beyond. Today we're taking a look at one of the most useful small appliances for anyone who loves chilled drinks on demand, the portable countertop bullet ice maker machine. It's compact, fast, and designed to deliver restaurant-quality ice right in your kitchen, office, or even on the go. Let's start with performance. This compact ice maker can produce 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, and up to 26 pounds of ice every 24 hours. That means you'll never have to run out of ice during family dinners, parties, or summer BBQs again. It's perfect for iced coffee, cocktails, smoothies, or everyday hydration. The bullet-style ice is one of the key features here, smooth, round, and easy on glassware. It cools drinks quickly without diluting flavor too fast. You can also choose between 2 ice sizes, depending on whether you want smaller cubes for drinks or larger ones for coolers and storage. What makes this machine even more impressive is its self-cleaning function. With just one button, it automatically cleans the internal components, preventing mold or odor buildup, something most budget ice makers lack. It's a huge time saver and ensures every batch of ice is clean and fresh. The transparent top cover lets you watch the ice-making process in real time, while the infrared sensor system automatically pauses operation when the basket is full. No spills, no wasted energy. And because it's fully portable, you can move it easily from your kitchen counter to your RV, office, or outdoor setup. Despite its high output, it's energy efficient and whisper quiet, thanks to its advanced cooling system and low-noise compressor. The sleek black finish gives it a modern, premium look that fits beautifully with any kitchen decor. So, whether you're upgrading your home beverage setup or just tired of buying bags of ice, this portable countertop bullet ice maker is the perfect compact solution, fast, efficient, and incredibly easy to maintain. Don't forget to buy it now on Amazon and hit subscribe for more cool gadget reviews from Gadgetverse.